Hello, my name is Dalton, and I'm here to talk to you about a project I've been working on for Codeworks. Like many of you over Christmas break, I did binge watch the crap out of the Queen's Gambit. I liked it a lot, and to me it was kind of a no-brainer. Like, seeing those pieces move across the ceiling, I need to make a 3D chess app. So for the past 10 days, I've done just that, and I'm happy to show you my app called ChessLeague. Okay, so let's get into a quick demo. Just some background information, ChessLeague is deployed to a few different platforms, but we're going to be taking a look at the Windows native version of it, just because it does look the best. So we have our pretty little login screen. The top two options are fairly low friction, tap to sign in through Google and Facebook using Firebase. So let's test out this email sign-in and pre-fill in some credentials to get logged into the main menu. Once we're logged in, we can take a quick look around. If we head over to the career section, it does pull in our account progress and gives us a nice little visual on how we've been doing. Then we can also see an abbreviated version of these stats down at the bottom left corner. So now that we're logged into an account, we have the ability to either create our own match and allow people to see our match in this list of open matches. So in this case, we are going to select our custom settings and hop into a game. So it allows 60 seconds for us to find an opponent, and luckily I have someone that's going to jump in here. So it looks like we did find our opponent and we connected to them. It looks like they are white, so it's their move first. So now that they have made their first move, our countdown timer has started, and this clock runs while it's our turn. So in response to this move, I'm going to move my pawn to counter. And I'm going to make a risky play and take his pawn. And when you take a piece, the piece is automatically filtered to the side of the board. It looks like he put me in check here, so I can try to escape, but it will detect that that move results in a check. So I have to make a move that gets me out of check. So in this case, I took the opponent's queen. That's got to suck for them. And it looks like the opponent has resigned, and it has notified me that I have won the match. So I get some bonus EXP, which will be added to our stats, and our rating will go up. Great. Let's talk about the tech stack. In the backend, I used Nodejs and an Express server. For the database, I used Mongo and Mongoose. To deploy the database, I used DB Atlas, and to deploy the node server, I used Heroku. So then, also worth mentioning, I used Bcrypt to help me with authentication. On the front end, I used Unreal Engine because of its 3D capabilities, and to deploy the web version of the game, I used Bluehost. What were my biggest insights during this project? React doesn't do 3D, so don't even try it, and Postman, it works all the time, really great.